It's Nikki. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw realistic fur or a little drawing tutorial on how to draw puppies. So give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and comment down below what other stuff you'd like to see on my channel. The first tip I have for you guys is actually to not use mechanical pencils. It just doesn't give you the right blending and texture that you need, so I recommend having two different kinds of pencils, a darker shade and a lighter shade. And next, I use some makeup brushes or just casual brushes to smoothen and blend my realistic drawings, but you can also use cotton buds and also just some erasers. One tough tip so you can erase little spaces. And yeah, so now I'm just gonna zoom in and I'm gonna show you guys two of the styles that I use to draw out my fur. The first one is this little sharp just sketching like that. Just keep on going light to dark shade, do your lighting with it, and then use a different shade to create the darker tones and just blend it all out. So this is the next one. It looks more like feathers here, but sometimes you use this for the big pieces of fur. And what I'm doing, I'm just, blending it and shading it, and yeah.
I'm going to start off with a basic shape, which is the head, and the head kind of resembles a circle shape, so you're going to have to find the basic shape of the thing that you're about to draw. So the head looks like a circle, so we're going to start with a circle, and then we're going to slowly sketch out the whole body and outlining it basically to the picture that you're referring to. So basically just look at the picture and draw out what you see. It's more about your observation skills, so observe, zoom into the picture, get all the details. And yeah, I'm just outlining everything, and I'm gonna draw the little ear here. I'm actually drawing a golden retriever, and it's a picture I found on the internet. So yeah. Next, I use a ruler for the face features because I like to get I need lines to get the eyes, so yeah. And now I'm just gonna fast forward it and show you guys me sketching out the whole dog. So just watch and learn. Next, I'm showing you guys how to draw eyes and some tips that I use. So first, go with the light pencil and just outline your eyes. Zoom into the eye in the picture and just draw out what you see, the pupil, the iris, the lighting. So just draw that and draw lightly around the eye, what there is around there. And then I'm gonna zoom in and show you guys this. I just lightly shade the parts that are dark first. So just lightly shade it. Don't use the darker pencil. Lightly shade everything, and you can go over it later with a darker pencil. So just lightly color in that iris, pupil, and yeah, that's how I draw my animal eyes. Next, I'm going to start drawing the fur and the area around the eyes. So for this part, you just basically choose whichever part you want to start with first. I usually start with the eye and then I branch out from the eye, but you can go ahead and draw the ear, draw the nose, doesn't really matter. So I'm lightly shading out the fur, and what you're gonna have to do is actually look at the picture and follow the dark areas and light areas and just color that. And the areas that have light, you basically leave it and lightly shade it. Then while I'm shaving, I use my brush to smooth and blend everything out. Then after that, you can go ahead and use an eraser to kind of get back the light effect. I don't know if this all makes sense, but just look at the video and try to understand what I'm doing.